What's going on, everybody? My name is Christopher Rogers with MarineMax Clearwater. I may not be wearing a cardigan, but you can definitely call me Mr. Rogers. So today I'm going to walk y'all through the 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX. So first thing you'll notice is it has twin 350 horsepower Mercury engines. This will get you going about 55 miles an hour top speed. One thing I really love about this boat is the aft sun pad is very just a lot of different variations. You can have one or both of these up. So as you can see, I was sitting down here comfortably, or just lay it all the way down, and you have a longer area to just lay your feet out at. So when you first get on here, you'll notice tons of seating for socialization. We have this beautiful table to have snacks, drinks, conversations, all that good stuff, as well as a summer kitchen with a grill and a sink. And you can put this down easily, and now you have a countertop. So one thing you'll notice about Sea Rays is if storage is important to you, if you want to bring a bunch of stuff out, they're fine with that, because underneath every single seat, there's storage options. So one thing you also notice is there's this sunroof. It manually closes and opens, which I think is awesome. On the helm, you'll see we have two beautiful SIM-RADs. Great for navigating, having your system, you can have your GPS on one side and then your engine screen on the other. We have a joystick for easy docking, and this is just beautiful captain's chair. You can have a co-captain right there. One other thing is there's a very spacious head, so you can easily, change, go to the bathroom, do whatever you need to do in there. And then last up is this oversized bow area. I really love this. Again, more places you can put a table down here, more space, more things to store down here, or just lounge out and have a good time. Feel the sun in your face, wind in your hair. So guys, this is the Sea Ray 310 SLX. There's a lot more to show, so definitely come by the Clearwater showroom, and I'd love to help you out. You can contact me at 985-951-0112. Till next time. Thanks, guys.